This is new and improved fake burping. I'm nervous. One. You're probably getting tired of me fake burping all the time. One. Okay. Next week or tomorrow, I will. Or maybe in a few hours. Sorry. Wait. This is really annoying. Very annoying. Okay, if you do not hear that very much. Okay, next week, tomorrow, or maybe in a few hours, I will do a video on killer instincts because my friends are getting the cord from me. Okay, Dominic, out.